Students, now we see about the simulation technique of reciprocity theorem using the multisim software. So this is the before interchanging circuit, this is the after interchanging circuit. Now, students, we see about multisim software. So double click it, we have to design the circuit now. So first we have to take the voltage source. So voltage source, we have to click it, we get the one window. In window itself we have to move for the power sources. So after that we can get DC power, we have to select the DC power. That symbol is placed in one place. Then the same way we have to take the ground, so it will be placed in the one place. Then we have to move for the resistor. Okay, then go for the menu, then we have to select the resistor. So here the one window is open, we have to search it and get the resistor. So we have to type the resistor value. So we have the resistor value 2.7k, right? So we have to type it and get the resistor. We have to place it the another one place. Then we have a two resistors are 2.7k. We have to select the both in the 2.7. Then another one resistor is a 10k. So we have to select it and place it the one place. Then if you want to change the resistor direction, we have to press the control, then we have to change it. So if you want to calculate the value, we go for the multimeter, that is the right top multimeter is available, you can get it from the that place. Then we move on to the circuit connection. Okay, so all the components are collected. Then voltage source connected to the R1 first end, R1 second end connected to the R2 first end, R2 second end it connected to the multimeter. Using the mouse you have to draw the circuits. Then multimeter negative line it connected to the voltage negative line. Then R3 and the ground line we have to connect it. So ground line is connected, then the R3 is connected to the intersection point of the R1 and R2. This is the before interchanging process. That process finished. Now we have to run the program and get the result. Then we move on to the running process. Okay, running process means that is arrow mark is there, then double click the multimeter, we get the result 1.958 milliampere. So this is the before interchanging process. Before interchanging means nothing but that is a LHS side is the V1, then RHS side is the multimeter calculation. Then we move on to the after interchanging process. So we have to go for the voltage source, then we have to take the DC power, then we get the voltage source value. Then we move on to the, we have to take the ground and the resistor and everything. Here we have to polarity changes, we have to press the control and polarity will be changed. Then we go to the resistor and ground. So ground line is there, then resistor we have to take it, we have to type the resistor value, then we can get the resistor value. Then 10k resistor and 2.7k resistor. So that is we have to denote it as a R4, R5 and a R6. All the resistors are connected. Then now we have to take the multimeter. So that is the right side of the topmost place. So multimeter also now collected. So multimeter negative connected to the R5 first end, R5 second end connected to the R6 first end, R6 second end connected to the voltage source negative, and voltage source positive connected to the multimeter positive. Then R4 also connected, ground line also connected to the particular place. Then here all the connections are connected. Now we see about the output stage. So then run the program, run the circuit. Then this is the first multimeter, run the second circuit, we get the result. So the both result are same, 1.958 milliamp, 1.95 milliamp. This is the reciprocity process. If you want to change the voltage source, we have to click it double. At time we can change the voltage value. Already we have 12 volt. If now we have to change the 15 volt. So based upon run the circuit, based upon that we can get the result. Here also double click it, we get the result 2.447 milliampere. So like that we have to process it. So finally the reciprocity theorem, we have to interchange the voltage source and the current value, ammeter value. Here we have to use the multimeter. In the discrete we have to go for the ammeter. Reciprocity theorem verified using the simulation technique.